Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super handy Weebly feature: how to copy a page in the 2025 version. If you're building or managing a website on Weebly, this trick can save you tons of time by letting you duplicate pages without starting from scratch. Whether you're creating multiple similar pages for a blog, an e-commerce site, or a portfolio, this is a game changer. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Weebly account. Head to the Weebly website, enter your credentials, and select the site you want to edit. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. Click on Edit Site to open the editor. Now, in the editor, look for the navigation menu on the left side. This is where all your pages are listed. Find the page you want to copy and hover over it. You'll see a few options appear. Click on the three-dot menu or right-click if you're on a desktop. From there, select Duplicate or Copy Page. Weebly's 2025 update has made this even smoother, so it should happen in just a few seconds. After you duplicate the page, Weebly will create an exact copy. You'll notice a new page added to your list, probably with "Copy of" in the title. Next, double-click on that new page to rename it. Give it a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to find later. This step is crucial to keep your site organized. Don't forget to make any necessary tweaks. The copied page will have all the same content and design, but you might want to update text, images, or links to fit your needs. Once you're happy with the changes, hit the Save button at the top of the editor to apply everything. One quick tip: if you're using Weebly's latest themes or mobile responsive features in 2025, double-check how the copied page looks on different devices. And if you run into any issues, Weebly's help section is a great resource. There you have it. That's how to copy a page in Weebly for 2025. It's a simple process that boosts your productivity. If this tutorial helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more web design tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.